Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is going to be YouTube Video SEO Expert. And you'll see if you scroll down on this search here that here's 3 videos for SEO Expert. And I'm going to click over to the YouTube quick like. Now, if you go to videos, you'll see here's the video expert, the people on it. And I'm not on there right now, but within a couple hours, or by tomorrow, I'll be on the front page of that search. Now, let me show you some of what I've did as a video expert. You Google wine video business marketing expert. This is a YouTube search. There's an Animaker movie that I made. There's one I use an Animaker too. I'm number 1 and number 2. I used to have 3 videos here, and I also used to rank here. Well, Gary Vaynerchuk is the foremost marketing guy of wine in the United States. He took a $3 million business and turned it into a $60 million business. So he's pretty good at what he does. But now I wanted to show you, now this is what they call a long tail keyword. You take off this keyword here and look at this. I rank for video business marketing expert. Now I rank number 1, number 2, and number 3 here. Now if you go over to Google, look at this. This is number 1 with 332 million searches. There's my search for resume. That's the one that I made for a resume. But my video is number 1 there too also. Now you want to be even just more amazed. Look at this. Business marketing expert. Oh, I got to go to videos. I won't rank on Google for that, but business marketing expert, I got 3 videos, 1, 2, 3 in a row. So if you want to get your video ranked on the front page of YouTube, give me a call. Thank you.